I'm Megan, and this is my husband, Beau, and our daughter, Beckett. Join us on our journey as we relocate our family to raw land in beautiful northeastern Washington. Watch as we start from scratch and build the life we desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So we got done grading the side yard here, and we made a through driveway, and the dozer operator kept saying, "Hey, I'm hitting something over there that I can't move." I think it's another Volkswagen. I don't know if you can tell yet. I'm kind of right in the shadow, but right here is about 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep, and right here is about 2 feet deep. I will update you with the progress. So I think this one's bigger. Start digging it out with a mini. I mean, I bet it's all of 4 feet tall. Freaking dinosaur egg. I'm gonna grab the backhoe, see if I can get it out. The mini won't even budge it.
Bug just landed on my sunglasses. How rude. I walked in this to get this video footage for my husband so you could see. Gross. You guys, this moon dust is real. Real. Giant rock. Look at that thing. Like, I can't even tell you how big this thing is. I think this one's bigger than the last one.
That's like a Volkswagen bus. I'm 6'8", so this is like
dreams.
A 5-foot rock.
Look at the crater it left.
I hope we find a few more of these.
What are we gonna do with this thing?
I don't know. We got another one. We can place them like in front so nobody breaks into our house. I don't know. Another 3x3x3Y.
Okay. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking our ditch is right over our shitter. God, why does that feel so off?
Like not straight? It doesn't seem straight at all.
Put that sanitary tee right on its back like that.
Okay. You're a goof. Straight and short?
Better not say me.
I wouldn't say straight. Well, wait, that sounds bad. That's too long. Can you use like this? Or does it need to be like a stick? Your notebook? Pencil? What?
Are you just
looking for
saying,
short, straight things?
Just saying things and you see them?
Yeah.
Bird.
On both sides?
Yep, you got a corner both. Go around it multiple times.
Whoa! She's rolling.
Okay, hold on to that. 90.
Right here. Want me to go get a bucket of rocks?
Yeah. I need something under there. God damn, it's still pushing out.
That's crazy how it does that.
I swear it gets hotter in here.
It does. There's no ventilation now that I put all that. Like every piece of insulation I put on, I felt it just.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this headed to the bathroom now?
No, this is just a vent into this wall.
Into the wall. Oh, gotcha.
You good?
I haven't moved.
What's that thing?
I don't know. I think you got glue on it though.
I don't like it. God, it's still pushing out.
It's so crazy how it does that.
You're at the level.
On the end?
Yep. Flip it over.
So,
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
it's crazy how much leveling goes into this work.
5 1/4 plus 3/4. Inches.
Look how Buster is the notepad.
He's a multi-use truck. Water truck, dump truck, notepad. Apparently we don't need to dig anymore.
Will this pipe go all the way down there?
Yep.
And then, does it just vent up or what?
That's where we're gonna dump the camper.
And then it goes out there to the septic?
If you go too much, the water leaves your poop.
I learned that. I would never have, I would always assumed, I guess, that
Wash
the,
better.
yeah, because the slope, but it makes sense that your water would outrun it.
So you have 2-inch short 90s, or you have short 90s and long 90s. The short 90s can be used when they're in the vertical position. Anything that's horizontal, you have to use a long 90 in plumbing. So
Oh, I didn't know that.
big difference. You will get busted on your inspection.
I didn't know that.
So a couple things the inspectors always like to see, or it makes it look like you know what you're doing, is if you put all your words up, it does 2 things. Like I said, it makes you look like you're professional, and it helps you line up your fittings. So there's, I don't know if you can see this, but there's notches on all your fittings, on all your 45 marks, your 90 marks. So we'll show you this. One important thing you got to remember, let's come down here. Put the primer on the fitting first, It's thicker, so it takes a little more to warm it up. Then we'll prime the pipe, glue the fitting, glue the pipe. If it's a bigger pipe, I'd take another dip. But watch this, if you push it on, let it go, it pushes out. So make sure you push it and hold it till the glue dries enough to hold it in place.
Voila.
Is that in?
No. Yes.
September, October, November, December, March, and
Good job.
Good job.
Good. Let's get a vent on that, baby.
He hates that he can't come in here. He feels so left out.
I'm a sweaty mess already. Come on.
where we going?
Nowhere. I was talking to Mommy.
All right. Yeah, pull her back, Mama.
Towards me?
Okay, hold that. Almost done.
Last piece? No, then we gotta vent it.
No, there's one piece there, and there's two vents we need to, or three vents we need to cut in over there.
Oh.
But
You need the level?
yeah, probably better get this pretty close to where I screwed. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh. It's like I don't see it anywhere.
Pick that end up if you would.
Okay.
Okay. We have to make sure that this is right. So this is our sink. Maybe give me a bucket right here too. Keep going.
More?
I don't think so. Should have my saws, everything. Jeez.
Oh. I gotcha.
That's where we messed up. Which way does this go?
So the drain's going down, which is not the direction. There you go.
This time somebody else is thinking around here. My brain's fried.
Learning curve here. We don't know what we're doing. I think everyone's allowed to mess up or two. What do you think's worse, this or electrical?
This.
Really?
It's stupid. Okay, so you want 12.5 inches from the center line of pipe to your wall. So
This one?
should be pretty freaking close.
Once it's glued in.
Good.
Huh?
I don't know why that far one's so crooked. Cord put it in.
I was gonna say, we didn't do that one. We did the one next to it. Playing on Corey. He's not here to defend himself. I had no idea how much work went into plumbing in general, but underground plumbing. All of the angles and sizes and measuring and leveling, because you want your water to flow out, but it can't go too fast. This has definitely been a learning project for sure.